Qatar Airways won the award of Best Airline in 2017, and they wanted me to do a review video because my earlier airline review video was such a hit. It got 43 views on the YouTube. So here I am in Atlanta airport going to Doha. They gave me a free ticket, but of course economy class. But anyway, so I'm going to Doha, and this is the comprehensive review of Qatar Airways flight 756 from Atlanta to Doha. Let's go to Doha. Okay, let's board.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Thank you. This is where I mounted the GoPro. As you can see, seats are pretty standard. So my review will be based on 3 categories: food, entertainment, and free stuff.
This is the first one that comes up.
And who I am kidding. Most important category is free stuff. So let's start with that. This is what you get in Qatar Airways. And we get iPhone, earplugs, toothbrush, a small toothpaste as well. And what's this? Lip balm. Okay, and socks. Now let's see food. After a couple of hours, you will get a full meal. I requested a veg option, and in that I get a water, something I don't know, then a bread, cheese, chocolate, butter, some sweet item, and rice and paneer. And most importantly, stainless steel cutlery. I don't like the plastic ones. Let's have a bite. Of course, you can get many things at any time. For example, coffee, tea, water, or a juice. And oh yeah, ice cream as well. Before landing, you will get another meal, in which you will get yogurt, then some chocolates, fruits, again a juice, and chole bhature. Food was really good. Finally, last category, entertainment system. Honestly, I found it pretty good. There are many movies, there are many regional movies as well. In short, there are a lot of options and you will not get bored. There are some games too. And information panel is also very good. Everything is there, whatever you need. But no internet. Almost there. Welcome to Doha. This Doha airport is so huge and literally no one is there. So there is a train inside airport. Sorry, back to the review. So Qatar Airways did excellent job in all 3 categories. In short, Qatar Airways, overall good experience. Awesome food, that was the best airline food I ever had. But only one problem. Why don't you give Wi-Fi? Means, although if you are ready to pay, still there is no Wi-Fi.